Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Cakes Estrella and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a top forward cake with these three cakes. Okay, right here I'm setting up my cake board and I'm just putting a dollop of icing to make the cake stick. And I'm going to place the cakes one after the other, and before placing the next cake I just put another icing to act as a glue to hold on the other cake. And so here it is. So right here I'm using a serrated knife to trim off the cake so that everything will be all leveled and nice. So as you can see, I'm keeping the knife straight so that I don't get uneven sides. And this is what it looks like after trimming. So pretty. So I'm just crumb coating here to trap in the crumbs, starting from the top of the cake and then working my way down. So yeah, enjoy the video. Don't need so much icing on this one, just a thin layer of icing to trap the crumbs. That's why it's called a crumb coat. And so once I'm done, I'm trying to smooth out the crumb coat layer of icing. So going in with my cake smoother and turning the turntable, I just go around the cake, smoothing out the sides to make sure I get an even crumb coated cake. I'm going to run this about 2 to 3 times until I get my desired effect. And then for the top of the cake, I'm smoothing it down. I'm very sorry for the position of my camera, guys, just bear with me. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the color I'm going to be using. I want to make a gradient effect kind of cake, so I'm going in with these two shades and I'm going to be putting them one after the other. Oh, I love the color of that pink, it's so beautiful. So this is like pink and purple, kind of like a galaxy look I'm going for. And I'm just putting them side by side. You can definitely mix up the colors, but be careful not to overmix. So once I'm done, I use my cake scraper again to smooth out the sides. So I keep on doing this, keeping my hand at a 45-degree position, and then I'll still touch up the colors wherever I want to get the effects I want. So for the top of the cake, as you can see, I'm mixing the colors and I'm just smoothing it out. So guys, as you can see, it's perfectly smooth. I'm going to cut the cake. I'm sorry, I lost the clip of where I cut the cake. So I'm cutting the cake by one side. Just don't cut too much, not from the half of the cake, just by the side. And then I'm trying to turn the cake over. You have to be extra careful in this procedure. This is quite technical, so you have to be really careful. I'm going to show you how I lifted the cake off the cake board to the one I want to use. So the cake board you want to use, the final cake board you want to use, should not be the one you start off with. Get right? Like, I didn't want to use this black cake board, I wanted to use a white one. So I start off with the black one and then transferring it to the white cake board, and I'm just using my spatula to very gently go below the cake to release it. The icing acts as a glue, to very gently release it. And then when I'm very sure that I can lift it off, i turn I turn the cake down and then push it to the middle of the cake board. Yeah guys, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. Pretty. So I'm going to cover up this part of the cake with icing as well, so you just watch how I do it. So you can go ahead to alter the colors to still give that part of the cake a gradient effect as you love, or whatever color you're going to be using. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to start smoothing it out, making sure to cover up the sides of the cake, the edge. So right here I'm just smoothing it out, so you have to be extra careful with the side. It can be a little tricky anyways, it can be quite tricky, but with practice you're going to get it, especially with the edges, trying to get the icing off that place to make it smooth. So you just go over it a couple of times, you definitely get it done. Touch up any sides that needs to be touched up as you go ahead to smooth it on again. This baby needs to be looking all cute. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video, this tutorial, do well to like, share and drop a comment down below. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved the technique. So guys, this is what it looks like after all the smoothing. It's not 100% perfect, but I mean we could work with this. So I started decoration. I didn't shoot the clip where I decorated the video, pardon me for that, but you can do it however you love. Look how beautiful she's looking. I used some gold beads, some silver beads, some flowers, and happy birthday topper, whatever you want to use. It's your canvas, make your painting, enjoy, flex. Meanwhile, she's looking so cute, she's looking so pretty guys. My first attempt doing a top forward cake.